How to fix ghost touches on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your settings. Now navigate to the option Accessibility. Head over to the option Touch. Now click on the option Touch Accommodations. Enable for this option Touch Accommodations. Then enable for the option Ignore Repeat. This is the duration in which multiple touches are treated as a single touch. You are able to increase or decrease the duration using these icons. With this, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is restart your device. A simple restart can often fix many software-related glitches, including ghost touches. Hold the power button to turn the device off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. Next, check for software updates. For that, go back to the main page of settings, click on General, click on Software Update. If you find any available updates over here, just update your iOS to its latest version. Next up, reset all settings. For that, head back, scroll all the way down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset all settings and go through the process. These steps should help resolve ghost touch issues, whether they are caused by software bugs, external factors like dirt or hardware problems. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.